Well, whatever the reality, financial markets are reacting dramatically to Trump's announcements. Major U.S. indices opened around 2% higher on Monday. Oil prices, they fell by as much as 13% on news the U.S. will halt strikes on Iran's energy infrastructure. Kristen Saloomey, live for us in New York. So, Kristen, already we've been seeing a significant market shift in the early hours of trading.
Yeah, markets surged, as you said, and oil futures dropped on news that President Trump was postponing any more strikes. We've seen those gains soften a little bit with word from Iran, unconfirmed, that Iranian officials essentially denying the conversation that Donald Trump said that he had. Nevertheless, the market remains elevated. Brent crude, the international oil benchmark, was as high as 110, trading over $110 a barrel. Now it's back down closer to 100. The U.S. benchmark now below $90 a barrel. So investors are liking that. They're buying up the opportunity. We're seeing gains in many sectors. Airline stocks in particular are trading much higher today. Financial stocks are up. Tech stocks are up. The market looking for a little bit of a reprieve here, coming back from the brink, given that just on Friday, they had dropped close to 10, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ had dropped close to 10%, which would be considered a correction. So now we got a little more breathing room from that for investors as they capitalize on this positive news.
And Kristen, most importantly, I suppose, as far as consumers are concerned, is what it means for them. Who knows how long it's going to last, of course, but what it means for them, certainly in terms of the price at the pump, the petrol pump.
Yeah, we've yet to see this translate to lower prices at the pump for consumers. They still, those prices still remain elevated. The price of gasoline per gallon here in the United States, or petrol per gallon here in the United States, is just shy of $4 a gallon, or $1.05 a liter. That's about 30% higher than it was before the conflict started. Diesel prices for industrial vehicles even higher. Takes longer for the prices to come down than it does for them to go up. Until fuel starts flowing through the Strait of Hormuz, perhaps, we won't see a difference. But investors clearly see this as good news. And for the president, that is good news as well.